Morning, everybody.
Good morning, everyone.
We're coming to you from UpKeep's headquarters. I'm Rachel, your Associate Product Manager.
I'm Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder, and it's a beautiful day here in LA.
Yes.
That rhymes. We got some big releases coming for you that were already released, actually. The first one that we're super excited to talk about today is this idea of linking tickets. What we heard from a lot of our customers, you guys, is that you wanted to break out tickets and create conditions based off of, one larger job. You wanted to create multiple work orders, associate it to one another, be able to tag tickets and work orders as duplicates. So now within the UpKeep application, you can do that. Really, really awesome feature. Really, really excited for you guys to start using it and create those dependencies so that you can better manage your workflow. Super excited. What else do we have, Rachel?
We made a lot of improvements to our checklist. So we heard feedback about adding checklists in different ways can be a little bit tedious, so we decided to end the tediousness. And we have released two new features. One is the ability to duplicate your checklist. So we heard feedback that when creating checklists, that some can be very similar with just a few different tasks, but our customers used to have to start from scratch for each list, but now you can make a duplicate and go ahead and add and remove the tasks that you need for each list. And with that, we've now added a new then condition or an action for our automated workflows. So now when setting up automated workflows for requests and work orders, you can automate it to add any indicated checklist. So this really helps with specific work orders that fall into a specific category. If there's a checklist that always needs to be associated with certain work orders, administrators can go ahead, set up an automated workflow based off their criteria to have those checklists added. So they no longer have to have that mental checklist to go in and add those checklists themselves. So very excited. Get in there and start setting up those checklists.
Awesome. I'm super excited. Automated workflows, one of my favorite features within the application. I think it's game-changing and absolutely huge. So definitely check it out. We also have an Android release that came out earlier this week. That Android release, it includes our floor plans. So if you guys checked out floor plans last month on the web, you can now access it from a mobile device. So just a quick refresher on what floor plans really are. What we heard from our customers, they basically have floor plans within their properties, and they wanted to be able to drop pins so that their technicians knew exactly where to go within that building, within that property. We realized that that's a really important mobile feature as well, because technicians are never sitting at the desktop using that web application. So now with Android, you can access it through a mobile device. You can basically pull out your phone, look at the floor plan, check out where all of the assets are placed so that you know exactly where to go for that job. iOS coming soon.
Yes, yes.
Thinking...
in the next week. And with that, in the next week, we also have very exciting news and feature coming out that's going to improve our reporting. So keep an eye for our updates next week on our newest feature.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome week. Let's do a high five.
Have a great weekend, everyone.
Have an awesome week.